Notifications on your iPhone aren't just alerts. They're a way to stay on top of what matters without constantly opening apps. With iOS 26, you can fully customize how these notifications show up, whether you want them minimal and distraction-free or detailed and always visible. Setting this up properly helps you manage your time, reduce interruptions, and make your lock screen more organized. Here's how to adjust your notification appearance and style. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap Notifications. Under Display As, choose between Count, Stack, or List. Use the preview to pick the style you prefer, then tap to mark your choice. Next, tap Scheduled Summary and turn on the switch to enable it. You can set times for your first and second summary, or tap Add Summary to create more schedules. If you want to see the next summary in Notification Center before its scheduled time, just turn on that option. Below, you'll find a list of apps. Toggle the switch for the ones you want included in your summary. Once you're done, go back and tap Show Previews to set when notification previews appear. Your choices include Always when unlocked or Never. Tap the option that best suits your display preferences. Next, tap Screen Sharing and use the Allow Notifications switch to decide if you want notifications allowed during Share Play or screen mirroring. If you want to fine-tune notification styles per app, scroll down to Notification Style. Tap on an app, make sure Allow Notifications is enabled, and under Alerts, tap Banner Style, then choose how you'd like notification banners to appear, like temporary or persistent. Here's the difference. Temporary banners appear briefly at the top of the screen before sliding away, while persistent banners stay until you swipe them off. Perfect if you don't want to miss important alerts. You can also manage lock screen appearance by choosing how notification previews appear and set notification grouping to organize them automatically by app or not at all. Repeat these steps for any other apps you want to customize. And that's it. You've now set up notifications on your iPhone in a way that matches your style and keeps you focused on what matters. If this guide helped you get more control over your lock screen, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.